Today we're going to learn Git and GitHub. Straight to the point. No unnecessary theory, no confusing jargon. A lot of beginners are scared of Git because the commands look intimidating, but honestly the basics are much easier than they seem. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, we need to install Git on our computer. Go to Git official download page. Choose your operating system and download Git. Run the installer, and for this basic setup, you can keep the default options and continue with Next until the installation is complete. Once Git is installed, open Git Bash or your terminal. First, tell Git your name, git config --, global user dot name your name, and your email, git config --, global user dot email email. Now we need a GitHub account. If you don't have one, create an account on GitHub, then click New Repository. Give your repository a name, choose whether you want it public or private, and click Create Repository. You'll see some commands on this page. Keep this page open. We'll use one of them in a moment. Now open your project folder in VS Code. Open the terminal inside VS Code and run git init. This initializes Git inside your project folder. You should now have a hidden .git folder. You don't need to touch it manually. Now let's stage our files. Git add dot. The dot means add all changes in this folder. Now create your first commit. Git commit -m initial commit. Think of a commit as a saved snapshot of your project. Now we connect our local project to the GitHub repository we just created. Copy your repository URL from GitHub and run git remote add origin. You can verify it with git remote -v. Before pushing, make sure your branch is called main. Git branch -m main. Now push your code to GitHub. Git push -u origin main. GitHub may ask you to authenticate, and that's it. Refresh your GitHub repository page, and you should see your project files there. GitHub is a platform where you can store and collaborate on your Git repositories online. That's enough to get you started. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Git or GitHub topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.